Welcome to ADCO Aviation. On the 22nd video, I completed the rudder pedals of my Legal Eagle XL. While waiting for my Wix order, the metal needed to begin my folding wing, I dug into my scrap fabric box, leftovers from my wings and tail surfaces, and found some pieces large enough for the nose of my bird. I removed the floorboard and painted on the 3M Fast Bond contact adhesive to the lower longerons and let it dry. I then added the bottom fabric per Stewart Systems procedures. Once the edges were glued and dried, I shrunk it in stages up to 300 degrees. I added some wax paper under the rudder pedals before I added the waterproofing. I guess it worked. The pedals didn't get glued to the bottom. However, the 3M adhesive is some serious stuff. Even watered way down, the wax paper did stick to the bottom somewhat. I then painted the edges before putting the floor back in. Next, I covered the sides. It's really starting to look more like a Legal Eagle every day. I know many of you are at least curious about the folding wing, so here goes. As stated earlier, I ordered the metal to start my folding wings. Hopefully, it'll come soon, and more importantly, I'll be able to get my garage cleaned up enough to get my wings from storage over to the fuselage. I started some of the wing brackets while waiting. Do you remember my dumpster dive find on my 6th video? I found a 6-foot long piece of 2x2 angle for just $1. If you remember, I had used it for the spar hanging brackets that protrude from the top of the wing. Just as a short review, I shaped and mounted those hangers on the rear spar. Then, using scrap from my lightning holes, I made a solid glue station around them and covered my wing. Now it was time to dig the rest of the angle out and make 4 swivel bearing brackets. I first cut the bottoms at the 2-inch mark, then marked the 1.5 inch for the base size. I then marked all 4 of the pivot sides and drilled all the 3/16 inch holes and began to cut each of the 4 pieces from the stick. Now that they're all roughly cut to shape, I took a sander to them and cleaned them up, ready for my steel order to arrive. I'd like to make a special call out to Les. If any of you haven't checked out his new website, legaleagleparts.com, he is working with Leonard and are building some of those parts that might be difficult if you don't have access to a lathe or special tooling. But thank you, Les, for giving so much to this community, and y'all check out that website. I know this is just a short update, but I really wanted to say thanks to all of you for the encouragement I get most every day. I've got a lot to do around the homestead, so wish me luck, and I'll update you as soon as I can. And my intention, once I have the wings complete, I would like to make a video of the complete teardown and put up process in real time, but that'll be a little bit further down the road. As always, I hope you've enjoyed this video and hopefully found some of the information helpful for your build. And if you're on the fence about starting a Legal Eagle build, hopefully I've shown you just how easy it can be. If you like these videos, please like and subscribe to my YouTube, Odyssey, or Rumble channel. Thank you and be safe.